I wish I was in Carrickfergus only for nights in Ballygrant. I would swim over the deepest ocean only for nights in Ballygrant. But the water's wide and I cannot swim over, and neither have I wings to fly. I wish I could meet a handsome boatman to ferry me over to my love and die. My boyhood days bring back sweet reflections of happy hours I spent so long ago. My boyhood friends and my kind relations have all passed on now, like the drifting snows. But I'll spend my days an endless rover. Soft is the grass and sure my bed is free. Oh, to be back now in Carrickfergus on that long mountain road down to the sea. But in Kilkenny it is reported on marble stones there, as black as ink, with gold and silver, I would support her. Ah, but I'll sing no more now till I get a drink. I'm drunk today and I'm seldom sober. A handsome rover from town to town. Oh, but I'm sick now, my days are numbered. Come all you young men and lay me down.